أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Another form of the poem is free verse. Verse. Clear? Whenever we say verse, so you can say poem.
Yes, sir.
To write a poem, to write poetry is called versify. It's better not to pronounce this R.
Wow.
Versify. Versification. Versify mean to write verses, to write poetry. In free verse, there are no rhymes. And I'm sure you know the rhymes, no?
Yes, sir.
Some of the rhyming scheme we have discussed, no?
Yes, sir.
That ending sound of minimum 2 lines are the same.
Same.
And as we move forward, we shall discuss that rhyming sound, it can be in the beginning, it can be in the middle. And few days ago we talked about that repetition of consonant sound. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Alliteration. No?
Yes.
We shall discuss that in order to create rhythm, the poet uses the repetition of vowel sounds as well.
Yes, sir.
That has some other name.
Other name.
I'm not going to tell it today.
Okay.
In the days to come, inshallah. So free verse is a poem which does not have rhymes or it does not have patterns now. First clear?
Yes, sir.
In the free verse, you would see that the lines vary as far as their length is concerned. And keep in mind that even sometime that length of stanzas, it varies now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So there is a variation in the length of the lines, in the length of stanza, and it can vary freely in subject. Funds clear?
Yes, sir.
Have a look at it. The subject of the poem is revenge. There's a very famous essay is there written by
Bacon.
Francis Bacon, of revenge, not of. Of, it is pronounced as of revenge. I'm sure you are studying these days, no? Let's have a look at it. Revenge. Free verses clear?
Yes, sir.
हड़बड़ी मची हाल जैसे आई कयामत न मिले हल सबकी जैसे मारी गई मत खूब किया लोगों ने नेचर से खिलवाड़ कर्मा इज अ बैक नेचर ले रहा रिवेंज जंगल को जलाया किया नेचर को डैमेज नेचर ले रहा बदला अब उसकी है बारी अब भी घूमे लोग चौड़े में उनको समझ नहीं आ रही हुआ लॉकडाउन इंडिया पूरा लॉकडाउन सरकार ने सबको उनके घरों में ही किया क्या लोगों को नहीं है प्यार जान से मुझे इस बात का खेद करोना करोना बड़ा घातक है करोना जो सरकार ने बोला वो प्लीज़ करोना अपने आप का सब ध्यान रखो ना घर से बाहर बिल्कुल भी पैर रखो ना रोज़ आमदनी वाला मजदूर जो कमाता वो बेचारा अपने परिवार का पेट कैसे भरे उसकी मदद करो ना अपना ख्याल रखो ना एकजुट होकर कोरोना से लड़ो ना फेस पर सबको है मास्क लगाना बार बार हम सबको हाथ है धोना कोरोना से एकजुट होकर लड़ो ना बेवजह घर से बाहर बिल्कुल भी जाओ ना ऐ शिकारी
Sure?
Yes, sir.
CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Level 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks.